Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Ring Floodlight Camera blinking or flashing, meaning and full troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the power. Turn off the power to the Ring Floodlight Camera at the circuit breaker and wait for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn the breaker back on and wait a few minutes for the camera to restart. Now check whether the blinking has stopped. Fix 2. Check your Wi-Fi. Open the Ring app and select your floodlight camera. Now check the device's Wi-Fi connection and signal strength. Then restart your Wi-Fi router and wait until the internet connection is restored. Then check the camera again. Fix 3. Reset the Ring floodlight camera. Find the setup/reset button on the camera and press and hold the button according to your model's reset instructions. Now wait for the camera to restart and open the Ring app. Set up the camera again. Fix 4. Check the Ring app. Open the Ring app and check if the camera appears online. In it, look for any setup or connection messages and update the Ring app if an update is available. Then restart the app and check the camera. Fix 5. Move the router closer. Check how far the router is from the camera and remove objects that may block the Wi-Fi signal. If possible, move the router closer to the camera and test the camera again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.